In the first year programming class, we start at the very beginning, digging into the fundamentals of programming. Some students are complete beginners, while others may have some knowledge of computer science already. We start with basic if and print statements, and then work our way through building loops, functions, and arrays. The C programming language is used as a vehicle to explore the concepts of pointers, structures, and dynamic memory allocation. We also take a look at how computer circuits work, sometimes using Minecraft to build fun contraptions or even actual computer components. Things get really interesting as students start to build games and other creative projects of their own making.